Welcome to my channel. This is a double YSL unboxing. So today we have a, what's it called, Mini Lou or Mini Lulu bag and a YSL card holder. So both of them are from two different places. The card holder is from Bloomingdale's. This is kind of like a panic buy because I always wanted the card holder. I have the card holder with a zipper, so it's just a plain small card holder, and I didn't want to pay the extra $20 that it is now. I think it's $2.95. I got this for $2.75, and I had some loyalty cash or card, however you want to call it, from Bloomingdale's. So I got like I had $25. So I got that off. So I decided to get it from Bloomingdale's. So this is what I'm going to open first. First impression. All right. Receipt, information. Take that out. Ooh. All right. I like that it's packaged like clothes. Okay. This is what I got. YSL Opium Gray card holder. Box, right? Have this. Alright, those bags are always like nice and thick. This thing right here, the authenticity card. Ooh, is this the color? That would have been like a brighter red. But this is nice. I'm down for it. It's not like the red in the Louis Vuitton. Definitely not. Everyone said this is thick. Tight. Let's see. I don't feel that tight. This one is called Opium Red or something. Red. Doesn't feel that tight for me. I'm excited. I have a black with a zip. Okay. So it's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's a Saint Laurent, Paris. And there's something really small in here. Made in Italy. I'm trying not to stretch it too bad. Okay. Make sure everything looks good. It's not a bright red. I don't have anything bright red actually, but let me just put this. It doesn't feel as tight as everybody say. You could come in and out. Really, really cute. Just when you wear like a small bag, you just want to have this. It's like a really dark red. It's like yeah, really dark red. Okay, so this is, there we go. This is like a bright red, and this is this one. If you could tell the difference. All right, so I got this from what is it called? FWRD? I don't know if they call it forward, or just FWRD. And they still have the old price of this. And then if you sign up for email, you get 10% off. Even YSL. Okay, let's see. Oh, what's this? Okay, receipt. Yeah, I got it from here. This place right here. FWRD forward. Here's the box. I'm glad they have a box that comes with the... Oh, forward. So it is forward. You see? It says forward on the box. Hold on. Just in case you didn't see it, the box says forward. Why you look dusty? What's all this dustiness? Okay. Oh, at least it has been perfect. I love the color. OMG. I love the color. Why am I not getting the little stickers on it? What is this called again? Does it say it? Sorry. It does not say the name. It's called Dark Beige. It comes with this thing right here. This. I'm gonna take it off. I don't know if I want to take this off. I got it. Okay. I'm smelling it. They have a lot of space. I don't like how this wrinkle right here. Probably the way they put the stuff in. But inside is full leather. And it opens pretty wide. Really wide. Okay, you could fit a lot of things. A card holder. Saint Laurent. Made in Italy. I don't know what this is supposed to look like. These right here. Looking at it. Okay. Of course, your phone should fit. Right? Phone fit. A lot of things should fit in here. Okay, let me take this part out. I really don't want to take it out yet. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm sorry if I'm not talking as much. I'm just like really trying to look at the purse. It says Saint Laurent and the tassels. Leather. Everything is like the gold hardware and being too hard. Okay. Really nice. I don't know if you could fit like it. What could you fit back here? Nope, no phone. Phone don't fit back there. Love it, I love it. Nice, nice, nice. Sorry for not like being so loud, but It's nighttime. It's 12 o'clock at night and everyone's sleeping. And I'm doing this. Oh, and back here, it says something. It's like a code right here. It says made in Italy, which is also said here, and it's like a code. 11/21. I don't know if that means that it was made November 2021. I'm not sure what that means. I'm just saying that. Don't quote me on that. Let me talk about it. The leather feel very thick and nice. That's the only thing I could tell you. It feels nice. You would think it's like a coated, you know how like a coated canvas, but it's not. It feels really thick and nice. It doesn't feel flimsy because I have the what is it called? This is a Lou. I think I have the Lulu in a small, and like the leather is like very sensitive. Like you could scratch it and stuff here. Nothing. It's a grain leather. I love the color. Very nice neutral. You can wear this day and night. Dress it up, dress it down. That's what I wanted. I love it. Love it, love it. Don't know the wear and tear, but I love it. And I love the, and then this one feel like the same material as this, just a different color. I wish it was a brighter red, but the red is showing up in camera is very nice. Also, really cute. Pop a color in your bag. You can't miss it. Very nice. All right. So, but thank you guys for watching my unboxing, my tool unboxing, and I love them very much. And it's very much what I expected, except this color. I felt like it was supposed to be brighter, but I'm not disappointed. I'll definitely enjoy this. And this, just keep manifesting things, you guys. Things happen. So enjoy your day, enjoy your night, and come back, comment, subscribe, like. You could request certain things. You know, like I could do what fits in here. So come again, guys. Peace.